What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix blurry videos in CapCut and make your footage look much sharper and clearer. First, open the CapCut app and tap on New Project. Select the blurry video you want to improve and add it to your timeline. Before making any edits, play the video once to see exactly how blurry it looks. Next, tap on the Effects tab at the bottom of the screen and choose Video Effects. From the list of categories, scroll down and select the Lens section. Here, look for an effect called Sharpen or Sharpen Edges. Tap on it to apply the effect to your video. Once the effect is added, you will see an option to adjust the settings. Here's what you need to do. Set the blur value to 0. Increase the sharpen value gradually. Be careful not to overdo it. Too much sharpening can make the video look unnatural or grainy. A moderate level works best. Adjust the size setting so that the effect properly fits the video frame. Fine-tune the range setting. Around 70% usually gives a good balance, but you can tweak it depending on how blurry your video is. If there's a filter applied, reduce it to 0 unless you want a specific look. After adjusting these settings, make sure the effect's duration matches your entire video. You can stretch or shrink the effect layer in the timeline to cover the full video length. Once you're happy with how the video looks, go ahead and export it to save the sharpened version. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.